Hey guys, my name is Felix and I'm one of the fastest growing painters on social media. You may or may not know me as ColorByFeliks on social media platforms, where I create videos of my paintings and share them with the world through my network of over 1 million followers. More recently, I've been getting requests on how to create the type of paintings I make, and I realized that there aren't many courses out there focused on the details of how to work with acrylics. I learned my techniques through thousands of hours of trial and error over the past 15 years, and I decided that there has to be a better way to teach these techniques to my audience. I know how frustrating it is to pick up a blank canvas and look at it and have no clue where to start. Or you have an idea but you don't know how to recreate it because you're not sure what colors to mix and what materials to use. So to help you move past these issues, I decided to create my very own painting academy. I gave this a lot of thought before pursuing it because I really wanted to make sure I'm able to teach the exact techniques and also for you to create beautiful pieces from your home no matter the skill level. And the great part is that you don't have to pay for expensive art classes or workshops, and I know how that can be. I've been blessed to be able to pursue my passion for art full-time and make a career out of it. Through art, I've been able to travel the world, experience new places, and meet great people and just be inspired by them. But what's more inspiring and exciting to me is to be able to see thousands of recreations by my followers who have been inspired to recreate using my techniques, and they recreated it in their own way with their pieces, and they're able to share that using the hashtag ColorByFeliks on social media platforms. And now I have finished my first ever painting academy that will be accessible to everyone all around the world. For the first time ever, I'm able to teach my in-depth techniques and share with you guys some lessons that have never been seen before. Over this 10-week period, we'll be able to work together step by step, and you will have new lessons added weekly. I cannot wait to meet everyone and see you guys inside the academy. I'm looking forward to developing a community of artists from all skill levels, from beginners to experts. You can click the link down below and get started today.